Hello, I'm Dr. Christine Marin, Professor Emeritus, Arizona State University, standing right here in front of Old Main, one of the buildings that we're offering a tour that we're going to provide, where we're going to see the contributions and the history of Latino students here at ASU. This is Tempe Normal School's library. It served the students who are trying to get their education. The first librarian for the Tempe Normal School Library was Gracia Fernandez. She was from St. John's, Arizona, and she served as a librarian and the professor of Spanish here at the Tempe Normal School from 1907 to 1914. I'm standing in front of St. Mary's Church, Tempe's first Catholic church that was constructed and dedicated in 1903. The church was built with the adobe bricks made by the Mexican craftsmen and artisans who lived here in Tempe. The Mexican Catholics were very important to the contributions of Tempe and its history. Sometimes called the Old Town Church or the Old Church, is very important right here in the corner of University and College. I'm standing here where the Chicano Bush used to be. The Chicano Bush was a very popular site for Mexican-American students to have small little areas where they could have tables for fundraising. Cesar Chavez would come here, a small embankment where students would sit, chit-chat, and share information, notes for research. And so today, students who are graduates still talk about the Chicano Bush. The students here at ASU formed their student organization and painted this beautiful mural that you see here, which symbolizes the history of Mexican Americans and also the Southwest and Mexico. So you'll join us on the tour to get a full history of this wonderful mural when it was created by the students. Hope you join us in October and learn more.